Hello, I'm Jodi Mason Cup, a dietetic intern here at CSS. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make my favorite sandwich, a gluten-free turkey muffuletta. I start with clean hands, and the bread is Ancient Grains fresh rosemary, a baguette that's gluten-free. I'm going to slice the baguette, and then I'm going to, with my hands or a spoon, hollow out both of the sides of the bread without tearing the outer part so that it looks like it's a bread bowl most of the way down both sides of the bread. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. Next, I'm going to add the ingredients that I'll be brushing onto the inside of the bread. The ingredients that I'm going to add to the olive oil are balsamic vinegar, basil, garlic clove, salt, and red pepper flakes. Then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to stir and combine all of those to brush onto the bread. Because gluten-free bread can sometimes be dry, I recommend using quite a bit of this mixture to moisten the bread. This is what the bread should look like when you're done putting the olive oil mixture on both sides. Now you're ready to start adding the turkey and the provolone. The baguette is narrow, so you're going to want to fold over the turkey slices and lay them on one side of the bread, which will likely be the bottom side of the bread. When you go to add the provolone, you may want to fold it over or tear it in half and lay it on top of the turkey. The choice is up to you. Once we're done with the cheese, we're going to start working on the toppings. And these are going to go on the other half of the bread. And we'll begin with red peppers and then olives and tomatoes. I've decided I need a little bit more turkey on my sandwich. Now I'm going to put both sides of the bread together so that my toppings will be laying on top of my turkey. Now for the finishing touches. I'm going to sprinkle some shredded Romano cheese, a little bit of oregano, and some black pepper on top of everything. I can't help but think how beautiful this sandwich is. And now we're going to wrap it up in a press and seal wrap and then with aluminum foil to seal all of that goodness together. Once it's wrapped tight, it goes into the fridge for at least an hour. After an hour at least has passed, you can take the sandwich out and place it on the counter to be unwrapped. One of the reasons that you let it sit for an hour is so that all the different flavors will mix together and taste really good. I've sliced the sandwich and I'm going to put it on the plate in preparation for eating it. Although it takes a lot of work to make this sandwich, I really love it. It's my favorite and it's worth the time. What's your favorite sandwich? I'd love to know. Reach out to us with any questions, comments, or suggestions. Thank you.